What the Buddha said exactly was that mind is the unity of empty cognizance. It is not said that space is emptiness. Space is merely empty. This is how to discriminate between space and mind. Space is empty and mind is emptiness. This word ta is also used in dharmata, sameness, suchness. This suffix, ness, always refers back to the cognizant wakefulness. You never say that awareness is empty. You always say that it is emptiness. In short, awareness is not only empty, it can also know. This knowing is the cognizant nature. When you speak about empty essence, cognizant nature, it is not some brilliant light like a light bulb. Do not understand it like that. What it means is a sense of being present, like the vivid quality of being wide awake. It is empty of any identity, yet it is naturally awake and not limited to being one or the other. It is not an either-or situation.